Hello guys, good day. Soon to be tested itong aking upgrade na Class D amplifier. So sana maging successful ito, no? Tingnan niyo po. Yan. So nagiging upload yung aking ginawang IGBT na transistor dyan. So 4 na piraso yan. Yan. Sana maging okay to at gagana siya ng maganda. Yan, malaki ng kanyang ginamit kong filter. Yan, malaking filter siya, no? Inductor po ito, no? So ito yung low pass filter siya, no? Yan. So binago natin yung kanyang design. Sana maging okay to guys. So